Hi, how you doing? Not going to keep you long. I'm just going to get some prawns and clean them. So, got some lovely large sized prawns here. What you need to do is get some scissors and then take it onto the shell and cut a line down. And then if there's anything inside, you can get it out. Sometimes you'll find like a black line or something. Yeah, you see that there? You can just get a toothpick or the end of a knife and you can just clean that out. Once that's out, these are ready to cook. You can just cook away with them. You see that there? Get that out, give them a little wash, and you're done. Very simple. See you later.